Hey, chick, chick, chick. You just love that dirt, don't ya? Hey, everybody. This is a little update on the greenhouse. Since I last did it, I think I was still working on the sump pump, but the sump pump's all in. And it's kind of covered up with a deck, a little decking. So I put some decking down to kind of as an entrance to the greenhouse. And it also serves as a cover for the hole for the sump pump, and it's just sitting right down there. And of course everything is inside this cabinet that I got for free at the Restore, and all the electronics are in there. So, and it's all kind of covered up and sealed. And you can see my really cheap water irrigation system. I was thinking, well, you know, why not just put a sprinkler in there? Because, you know, everything that matters is either inside that cabinet or up past 8 feet high. And I just have the sprinkler on, like, I don't know, 6 feet. And it's getting everything really nice and good. So cheap, no problem. I like that. So let me just go turn off the water real quick, and I will show you some of the plants. Say hi, honey, you're on film. To Facebook or wherever. Dinner's ready. Okay, so we will turn off the faucet. A simple Y connection there. You know, one to the garden hose and one to the high-tech irrigation system. And so, okay, so everything's in. The greenhouse is pretty much full. I've got both sides planted with peppers and tomatoes over here. Layla's ball. There's some zucchini plants and a pumpkin plant and some raspberry bushes here. You know, this is 3-4 feet. A whole bunch of potatoes. I kind of went crazy on potatoes. I don't know why. Never grew them before. And the onions are doing really good. And I wanted to show you the fans I got that I installed. I have a fan here, and that's up at 8 feet, and then at the other end you can hear that fan that's running. And I'll just go ahead and turn that off so it's not so noisy. So yeah, in here is the switch box with the fan switches, the geothermal, the sump pump, and auxiliary. So I got that all wired in there. Looks neat when they're all on at nighttime. Sends off a little blue glow. So anyway, just wanted to give an update and say I love y'all and take care. And may the sun always be shining on your face. Love you. Bye.